Good afternoon, children. Nice to meet you again. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Stay home, stay safe. Last class, you learned about feelings. Yes, right. I think, children, you understood it is not wrong to feel, but we should learn to control and manage them. It is very important to master negative feelings and replace them with positive ones. However, it has to be pointed out that we all have the negative feelings and there is no need to feel guilty about them. Guilty means responsible for having done wrong or showing bad feelings about having done wrong. So, showing bad feelings about having done wrong. That means guilty. Okay. Positive feelings include gratitude, love, joy, etc. Negative feelings include anger, irritation, jealousy, etc. Expressing positive feelings makes people feel good. Negative feelings hurt and alienate others and can get us into trouble. We have to learn to care about other people's feelings. The best way to deal with feelings is to talk about them with friends, parents, or teachers. Children, now you can turn your book to page number 22. Page number 22. Let's see how to get started. Children, you have to be aware of your feelings. Learn to take your feelings temperature. Here you can see the feelings thermometer. Don't act on any feeling till you have recorded your temperature. This is hard to do at first, but you can learn by practice. There are three zones in a feelings thermometer. They are red zone, orange zone, green zone. What are the three zones in the feelings thermometer? Red zone, orange zone, green zone. Okay. If your feelings is in the red zone, don't say or do anything for some time. If you are in the orange zone, you need to be careful about what you say or do so that no one is hurt. If you are in the green zone, you should still stop and think how best to express your happiness without hurting others. Does that mean happy feelings also need to be controlled? Yes, sometimes. An uncontrolled outburst of joy may also have the power to hurt. We will see this in the story that comes next. Children, listen. Sometimes you will have happy feelings. Yes or no? Yes. You have to control your happy feelings in some situation. Yes, you have to control your happy feelings in some situations. You may ask the question, why we have to control it? An uncontrolled outburst of joy may also have the power to hurt. The need of controlling happy feelings, we will see a story about it. Okay? Corporate and I are close friends. We were both very interested in acting in school plays. We have acted in many plays together. So, when there was an announcement about the next play, naturally we both applied. Later, we came to know that only one person would be selected from each class. Corporate and I are close friends. Two children, two girls. They both are in the same class. Okay. So, these two children, they were very interested in the school plays. Children, are you interested in playing games? Yes. Likewise, these two children, they were very interested in the school plays. So, children, can you say a few games you play in the school? Yes, good. Football, chess, volleyball, cricket, table tennis, etc. Okay. So these two children acted in many plays together. So in the school there was an announcement about the next play. So both of them applied for the game. Later, only one person could be selected from each class. So later only they came to know that only one person would be selected from each class. One day, the organizer of the play told me I had been chosen. I was overjoyed. I did not even stop to think. I rushed to where my classmates were standing and talking. Harpreet was also there. I had got it. I have got it. I yelled. Got what? One of the girls asked. I am in the play. Even as the words left my mouth, I wished I could take them back. I looked at Harpreet's face. She was so disappointed and was trying so hard not to show it. She smiled, but I could see the hurt in her eyes. One day, the organizer of the play told I had been chosen for the play. So I was overjoyed. Suppose you think you and your friend both are applied for a play. You are being selected. You will be overjoyed. Likewise, this girl was overjoyed. The girl did not even stop to think. She did not think also, but she rushed to where her classmates were standing and talking. There her friend Harpreet was there. Her friend told, I have got it, I have got it. I yelled. Meaning of yell is shout in a loud. So what is the meaning of yell? Shout in a loud. Got what? One of the girls asked, got what? So this girl told, I am in the play. Even as the words left her mouth, I wish I could take them back. But I looked at Harpreet's face. Harpreet was so disappointed and she was trying so hard not to show it. So she smiled, but I could see the hurt in her eyes. Harpreet's eyes showed that she was hurt. I learned that day even when we express happy feelings, we should be careful not to hurt others. So Harpreet's friend says that I learned that day even when we express happy feelings, we should be careful not to hurt others. Which of the following would have been the best way for me to handle the situation? Which of the following could have been the best way for me to handle the situation? Not say anything at all. My friend will come to know from someone else. Quietly tell my friend in private. So what could have been the best way for Harpreet's friend to handle the situation? So you should not say anything at all. Friend will come to know the matter by someone else. Quietly you can go to your friend and say the matter in private. Do you understand, children? Yes. So you and your friend are applied for the play if you are selected. Yes. So you should not say anything at all. Friend will come to know the matter by someone else. Otherwise, quietly you can go to your friend and say the matter in private. Our feelings are precious to us and we do not want anyone to hurt them. That is why we must take great care not to hurt the feelings of others. I think children, you understood our feelings are precious to us and we do not want anyone to hurt them. So we have to take care and not hurt the feelings of others. Very young children do not understand how to control their feelings. That is why they may throw tantrums or cry when they do not get what they want. But as we grow, we understand ourselves better and we can learn how to keep our feelings in check. So young children, they don't know to control their feelings, so that they may throw tantrums. Tantrums means they may get angry, okay, or cry when they don't get what they need. But grown up children can understand and they can learn how to keep the feelings in control. By controlling our feelings, we show respect for others. We avoid fights and unpleasantness. We feel good about ourselves and form firm friendships. We can live in harmony. So, by controlling our feelings, we show respect for others. We avoid fights and unpleasantness. We feel good about ourselves and we can form firm friendships and live in harmony. So, children, I think you all understood the story. Yes or no? Yes. What is the moral of the story? You have to control your feelings. You have to control your feelings. If you control your feelings, we can show respect, we can avoid fights, we can be good and form firm friendships and live in harmony. All of you understood? Yes, I think you all understood. With this, I like to conclude this lesson. Thank you, children.